Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Ghagra. Here I am gonna explain what is DTH and how it works. First, what is it? DTH stands for Direct to Home Television. Direct to Home technology refers to the satellite television broadcasting process which is intended for home reception of television signals. DTH refers to the reception of satellite signals on a TV with a personal dish in an individual home. Its history. The technology was developed for competing with local cable TV distribution services by providing higher quality satellite signal with more number of channels. The Government of India permitted the reception and distribution of satellite TV signal in November 2000. The first DTH service in the country was launched by Dish TV in 2003. DD Free Dish was launched by public broadcaster Prasar Bharati in 2004. The main thing is the difference between DTH and cable TV. The main difference between DTH and cable TV is broadcast technology. Local cable operator use coaxial cables to transmit cable television signal from the receiving office to the customer home premises. Receiving office in turn gets the signal from satellite through parabolic dish antennas. On the other hand, the DTH, there is no cable operator's office involved. Subscribers have small dish antennas installed on their terrace which receives the signal directly from the satellite, which are then transmitted to the subscriber's home. The second thing is the picture quality. In terms of picture quality, DTH is superior compared to the local cable operator. But as far as the cost effectiveness is concerned, cable operators win over DTH. Why should we choose DTH rather than the cable TV? Well, the main reason is the picture quality. The reason for this is that in case of cable operators, there will be many kilometers of coaxial cable running from cable operator's main receiving office to your house. This long stretch of coaxial cable involved causes signal attenuation which deteriorates picture quality, while in the case of DTH, only small portion of cable is involved from terrace dish antenna to customer's home. Hence, attenuation is comparatively less, resulting in improved picture quality. And of course, due to this, the stereo effect sound is also good. DTH can reach remote areas as it does not require intermediate step of cable operator and the cable wires. Signal come directly from the satellite to dish TV. In DTH, viewers get many advanced features and services like interactive TV, video on demand, etc., which are not available with local cable operators. Hence, DTH gives subscriber a good all-around viewing experience. Now we'll see what is the problem with the broadcast TV. Conceptually, satellite TV is not like broadcast TV. It's a wireless system for delivering television programming directly to a viewer's house. Both broadcasting television and satellite station transmits programming via radio signal. Broadcast stations use a powerful antenna to transmit radio waves to the surrounding areas. Viewers can pick the signal with much smaller antennas. The main limitation of broadcast TV is range. The radio signal used to broadcast television shoot out from the broadcast antenna in a straight line. In order to receive these signals, you have to be in the direct line of sight of the antenna. Small obstacles like tree or small buildings aren't a problem, but big obstacles such as the earth will reflect these radio waves. The other problem with broadcast TV is that the signal can often distorted, even in viewing area. To get a perfectly clear signal like you find on cable, you have to be pretty close to the broadcast antenna without too many obstacles in way. Well, the solution is satellite TV. Satellite TV solves the problem of the range and distortion by transmitting broadcast signals from satellites orbiting the Earth. Since satellites are in the sky, there are a lot more customers in the line of sight. Satellite TV system transmit and receive radio signals using specialized antennas called satellite dishes. Components of DTH. There are 5 major components involved in DTH or Direct Broadcast Satellite System: the programming source, the broadcast center, the satellite dish, and the receiver. Programming sources are simply the channels that providing programming for broadcast. The provider doesn't create original programming itself. It pays other companies for the right to broadcast their content via satellite. In this way, the provider is kind of like a broker between you and the actual programming sources. The broadcast center is the central hub of the system. At the broadcast center, the TV provider services signal from various programming sources and beams a broadcast signal to satellite in geosynchronous orbit. The satellite receives the signal from the broadcast station and rebroadcast them to the Earth. The viewer's dish picks up the signal from the satellite and passes it on to the receiver in the viewer's house. The receiver processes the signal and passes it on to a standard TV. Geosynchronous satellite. A geosynchronous satellite is a satellite in geosynchronous orbit with an orbital period the same as the Earth's rotation period. Such a satellite returns to the same position in the sky after each sidereal day, and over a course of a day traces out a path in the sky that is typically some form of anemometer. A special case of geosynchronous satellite is the geostationary satellite, which has a geostationary orbit, a circular geosynchronous orbit directly above the Earth's equator. The functioning. The broadcast center is the main part of the whole system. It is from the broadcast station that the signals are sent to the satellite to be broadcasted. The broadcast station receives the signal from various program channels. The satellite receives signal from broadcast center and compresses the signal and makes them suitable for retransmission to the ground. The DTH providers give dish to receivers for the viewers to receive the signal from the satellite. There may be one or multiple satellites that send the signal at the same time. The receiver receives the signal from them and is passed on to the set-top box, the receiver in the viewer's house. The set-top box receives the set-top box receiver changes the signal in a form suitable for our television and then passes it on to our TV. Ku band allows much slower antennas to be used as the receiver. Ku band is a good compromise of water losses and dish size. The satellite receiving antenna. When the signal reaches the viewer's house, it is captured by satellite dish. A satellite dish is just a special kind of antennas designed to focus on a specific broadcast source. The standard dish consists of a parabolic surface and a center feed horn. To transmit a signal, a controller sends it to the horn and the dish focuses the signal onto a relatively narrow beam. The dish on the receiving antenna can't transmit information, it can only receive it. The receiving dish works in exact opposite way of the transmitter. When the beam hits the curved dish, the parabola shape reflects the radio signal inward onto a particular point, just like a concave mirror focuses the light onto a particular point. In this case, the point is the dish's feed horn, which passes the signal on to the receiving equipment in an ideal setup. There aren't any major obstacles between the satellite and the dish, so the dish receives a clear signal. The central element of the feed horn is the low noise block down converter or LNB. The LNB amplifies the radio signal bouncing off the dish and filters out the noise. The LNB passes the amplified filtered signal to the satellite receiver inside the viewer's house. The benefits. As the process is wireless, this system can be used in all remote or urban areas, and thus it is beyond geographical. High quality audio and video which are cost effective due to absence of mediators. Almost 4,000 channels can be viewed along with 2,000 radio channels. With a single DTH service, you will be able to use digital quality audio, video and also high-speed broadband. The conclusion is that DTH has made the hopes of people of rural to come true. It helps to develop and explore the ignited mind of people of India to think beyond the scope of imagination. It also helps to develop the economic condition of a country. Thank you.